Nagsimula yan sa kapatid ko. You know, wala man talaga sana akong problema. Pero, ginatawag nila nga, magnanakaw yung kapatid ko dahil lang sa confidential funds na yan eh. Pero ito yung sasabihin ko, ang tanong ko lang sana ba? Just to, you know, for the sake of argument, kung ang presidente merong billions in terms of confidential funds, tapos gusto nila impeach yung kapatid ko for 425 million pesos, in terms of amount, who is more impeachable? Ang billion or ang million? Yan, isa yan. But sa totoo lang, you know, if you take a leadership position, lalo na executive, mayor ako, yung mga, lalo na mayor, barangay captains, yung executive position, alam mo, kung you are really serious on implementing or renewing policy or amending laws, or if you want to make a change, it should start with you. Kung sinasabi sana nitong Marcos na ito na masama may confidential funds, then it should start with him pababa, so that he will be the example that we will follow. And yet, you are sinisingle out mo yung isang tao. Ano ibig sabihin nun? It's because of politics. When you should be there, nandyan ka to lead the country and